Yes, I have 6 main areas in this presentation. First, I want to start with definitions. So what are we talking about when we are talking about maintenance? And then several different definitions from different sources. Second part will be about the motivation. Why pay attention to measuring productivity of maintenance? The third will be measures. So what and how to measure, what kind of data to collect about maintenance productivity. And then I have analyzed some empirical data. Some of you probably listened to Peter Hill's webinar last Wednesday, and ISDSG maintenance and support data is one of my empirical sources. Then some words about lessons learned, what we have learned so far from maintenance productivity. And in the end, some words about next steps and future views that I have thought happening in near future. Starting from the definitions. These are common definitions for maintenance. So you see my sources. There is the Longman Dictionary of Contemporary English, and the other one is the concise Oxford Dictionary of Current English from 1949. So, and then the third is Webster's New Encyclopedic Dictionary. And all these definitions are different. Longman Dictionary says that maintenance is the repairs that are necessary to keep something in good condition. And Oxford Dictionary says that maintenance means maintaining enough to support life. And then Webster defines maintenance as the upkeep of property or machinery. These are quite different official definitions, and I don't see any of those including any improvements. The other word that I checked was the enhance. And enhance by Longman means to improve something. And Oxford Dictionary said that it's heighten, intensify, exaggerate, or raise. Make something bigger or make something better probably. And then Webster says that enhance is to make greater. So last week's webinar, Peter Hill was talking about maintenance and support and enhancement. And they are very often all three mixed. Then I took the ISO standard for software and systems, or that is SC7, which is Software and Systems Engineering Subcommittee, and they have standard for maintenance, ISO IEC 14764, and they say that software maintenance is the totality of activities required to provide cost-effective support to a software system. And then the end of the definition also says that these activities can be run or performed during different stages of the maintenance or life cycle. I don't like this definition very much, and I think it's a little bit strange. But one interesting point here is that it says, or it indicates that maintenance always should be cost effective. So somehow meaning that it should be productive. Then the same standard divides maintenance work in 6 different sub-areas. And these definitions are already better. So the first one is adaptive maintenance, which means modifications to keep a software product usable in a changed or changing environment. So that is one of these 6. And then corrective maintenance, which is quite commonly used term, means reactive modification to correct discovered problems. Emergency maintenance. This is very agile thing to do. So it's unscheduled modification to temporarily keep a system operational pending corrective maintenance afterwards. Then the 4th is maintenance enhancement. And that is for satisfying new requirements. Effective maintenance in this ISO standard is defined as modification to detect and correct latent faults before they are manifested as failures. And then preventive maintenance finally is the modification to detect and correct latent faults before they become operational faults. So one big problem with having so many areas of maintenance, I have also been working as a maintainer, and I never knew exactly that which of these 6 different maintenance works I was working with, because they are usually mixed in practice. Not real world is not this well organized. So some related concepts that should be understood when we are talking about maintenance. Functionality and functional components we should understand. And what I mean that the more functionality, the larger application. This is the basic thinking behind functional size measurement. But I also see the difference between enhancement